you. Day to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hey, cut up. Ang sagang mo. Si Jans no. Saan sa kong vlog? Winter is coming.
Hello! Hello!
Are the kids?
Children
only? I'm a children. I'm a child.
Children only. Ako. Guys, my name is Sitilib Julian. Okay, guys. It's me. What's up, peeps? We're here in the Philippines. We're here in this house, and we're gonna do stuff. All right, let's do a pillow fight. No, we can't do pillow fight. Remember? What about you? Just let them see us do the pillow fight. Yeah, fine, sure. It's everyday bro with that Disney Channel flow. Girl, you can't mess with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these are red bottoms, these are bloody shoes. Wait a minute, Dad.
I am with the kids. Ako mga kids yung mga gising.
Nakakita mo yan! Kaya di ba sa ikaw? Wow!
Tomorrow.
Hey guys, today is the last day of my stay here in Iligan, and we were not able to visit the cemetery last November 1 and 2. That's why we're here. Today's November 5 and I'm visiting my mama. Hey mama. And that's just a quick visit here at the cemetery, and we're going to our next destination. See ya. And here we are, our next destination. We are having a pool party here at Mimar Springway Resort at Timuga. Yes. Count ah. Madami yung count, guys. Mangligo mo. Maligo mo. Yes. Dili ako maligo kay mulupad pa ko. Mulupad, mularga dahil. Mularga dahil ko.
Ano nung meron?
Wala. So, pupuntan mi og kalipay. Naguba ang karaoke machine. Pupunta sa mong kayabag. Bye. Lumay. Tom, grabe dyan, kain ka na naman.
Mermaid?
Bye! So we have to leave now because we got a trip at 4 p.m. going to school. Yeah, so bye. Kadili mga late sa checkpoint. Ay, tagal lang na eh. So yeah, vacation's over and I'll be going home to Cebu and back to reality. Just don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Let's eat dinner. Dulgyok nong. So ako ang chicken from Greenwich guys, kaya kung ibutang ka magpalapa. Lumi bitaw siya, halang. Mushroom fry. Pizza. Uy, ayaw ka na, kita ka na.
Oh, serious?
Lami no. Lami pun.